No matter what I tried, I could not get it OFF.
Grinder time.
Make sure to not nick engine shaft.
I'm just cutting strips away of this.
Removing old engine spacer. Make sure engine and torque converter spin the right way. I always Loctite these mounting bolts. Gently tap down to spacer, or make sure it's in line with other drive wheel.
Alright, so it's mock-up time. I got my engine all set up, as you can see. Got my rear wheel set up. Now I got my T-bars and a heck of a lot of steel to play around with here to make myself a swing arm.